Explain shell-type transformer. After discussing about the core type of transformer, here we'll explain another type of it, that is, shell type of transformer. It is defined as a transformer in which the magnetic circuit surrounds the windings more or less completely. The shell type is more famous as its magnetic circuit is more strong and high reliability and design versatility. Mainly, they are used in high voltage type transformer. Now here we'll discuss the shell type construction of a transformer. Basically, in a shell type, the core has 3 limbs, a central limb and 2 side limbs. The windings are made around the central limb. The width of the central limb is twice that of the side limb. Both the HV and LV windings are divided into number of coils and are arranged alternatively. The HV windings are sandwiched between the LV windings. Coming to its other characteristic. In shell type, we need to have an external cooling device. As windings are surrounded, so natural cooling does not exist. But windings are surrounded by the core. It is difficult to dismantle and repair the coils. For a 3-phase system, when a shell type transformer is used and the flux are divided in the 3 phases, thus we can summarize as